again, everyone. I'm back with a simple and small gift to all of you. First of all, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Nariman Al Hariri. I am TEFL certified by Notting Hill and Manchester College to be teaching the language to teens, and even a CELTA certified by Cambridge University to teach English language as a second language to non English speakers or people of other languages. This is for adults. My present to you now is that I'll be presenting or I'll be offering a course for the beginners who are not able to use the language, who are scared to use it in the proper situation, who are feeling like hesitant when they are in a specific situation and they feel like their tongue is twisted and unable to express themselves, so they properly they get stuck and feel unable to interact in this situation. So in this course, I'll be giving a small or a short introduction of English as a second language because it's different completely of English as a first language. Specifically, or to be precise, in this, I'll be speaking or explaining the grammar from the scratch. The first thing in the grammar, people know about the grammar. Here in Egypt, or it's not only in Egypt, for people who are not using the language as a first language, or even when the English is not your mother tongue, you are scared of the word grammar. Grammar, it's a scary word, and even most of people, most of teens, most of students in school, they are scared to use the grammar because they know grammar is not easy. And there is a myth, or someone said, and I'm not sure who said that grammar is not important. This is incorrect because people use the grammar every day, and grammar, if there is no grammar, so there is no language, because the grammar is the backbone of any language. Even in your mother tongue, you cannot speak to a man in a tone of a girl, or addressing someone, a man, as a woman. So that's a grammar. So it's important in any language around the world. The grammar is really important, but it depends on how you receive the information about the grammar. It depends on how teachers on others deliver you the, or even the way and techniques they use to deliver the grammar to you. So in this, I'll be like listing in the grammar in different ways, listing the situations we use grammar rule with, keywords of each grammar rule, and how to use in both speaking and writing, because this is the main problem. This is the main impediment that most of non-English speakers face, that they are unable completely to use the language in producing it in speaking or writing. Sessions will be on Zoom meeting application, and you do not have to switch your cameras on unless requested, because for some reasons we might using the camera to watch your pronunciation using the tongue and using your mouth, and how to see your facial expressions, because facial expressions are really important when you speak a language. You're not a robot. You need to use the facial expressions and even the intonation which comes out with your vocals. If you have any further inquiries or information, you're willingly welcome to contact me on Facebook page, which is All English All the Time with Neriman, or my Instagram account, your.english.developer. This for any further details regarding the fees, regarding the course itself, the contents, I'll be more than delighted to assist any of you if you just email or text me on any of those resources, the Facebook page and an Instagram account. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.